So guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back. So guys, today I have this lovely fish head. This is just one head. It's a really big head, and I'm going to steam this with some crackers. But these are my ingredients. These are all the things that I will be adding. So I'll be adding vegetables first. So be adding them with this. Look at all that color. So I'll be adding this, and so guys, this is pumpkin, carrot, onion, garlic, tomato, all of those stuff. I'll be adding that, and also I already seasoned my fish, so this was seasoned for some time, so I'll be adding this on top. There you go. So I'll be putting some water and some butter in this. So guys, this is the container that I had the seasoning in. So I pour some water in it, and I'll be pouring it over this. Not a lot of water, because I don't want a lot of water in it right now. So I'm going to put this on my stove to steam until the fish is cooked. So we'll see what that looks like. So guys, here you have it. My fish started to steam. And guys, if you remember the small amount of water I put in it, and then it has so much water now. So I'm just giving it a quick stir and allow it to continue to steam. Guys, this smells so good. Oh my god, this smells so nice. So I'm allowing the pumpkin to stay in the water so it might cook properly. I cut it really thin so it won't take any time to cook. And this fish, it really has a lot of bones in it, so you can see it. So guys, I'm going to cut some okra to go in this also, and also I'll be adding some crackers in this. So there it is guys, look at this beauty. So guys, here you have it. This is ready. I put my okra in at last and leave it for like a minute or two, because I don't like when it's slimy. So at this moment I'll be adding my okra, and then I'll give it like a minute or two to be properly cooked. So also at this time I will be adding some crackers to this. So guys, I had also had some more water to this, because the crackers is going to dissolve the sauce. So I'll be adding some crackers. Guys, my okra they're not hard, they're really young, so it doesn't take any time to cook. So I'll be giving this like 2 minutes the most, and then it will be ready to serve. So I'm gonna cover this for a minute or two, and yeah, that's a meal. So guys, there you have it. My steamed fish and crackers is ready. Look at that beauty. So So guys, there it is. And guys, this is actually a fish head, but it's a really big fish head, so it has a lot of meat on it also. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet a subscriber, and please remember to turn on your post notification. So guys, thank you so much, and until the next video, bye bye.